A lot of the classes that School of Freshwater Science offers is fieldwork-based classes, so you get to go out on the research vessel, the Niske.
It's multidisciplinary, and so I've got to learn about many different water sampling techniques. I just love having a broad perspective.
I would say our program has a lot of hands-on experience where students are given the opportunity to become full operational meteorologists and forecast for local partners.
We were able to go up to the UP at the Kemp Field Station, and at the end of the day we got to sit down with our classmates and sit by the fire and really just get to bond and know each other.
So it's really hands-on in the curriculum that they have here, and that's another reason why it drew me into the program.
Receiving a scholarship has helped me at UWM because it has allowed me to continue classes even after I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer in my last semester of my graduate career. And so it helped me come back to school and be able to focus on school.
Faculty and staff at the School of Freshwater Sciences are fantastic. They are always willing to help out in any way that they can and making us stronger when we come out.
The whole program, everyone in the program is supportive of each other. We push each other to excel and be the best that we can.
Very grateful for the professors and the assistant professors that have been very helpful in helping me choose this path in my career. And it's helped me obtain my current internship at the Waukesha Wastewater Treatment Plant.
I plan to work full-time for the Freshwater Collaborative of Wisconsin.
I am currently working as an operational meteorologist before I graduate.